Alright, this is Hammy back with how to camouflage a airsoft sniper rifle. Now, there's a bunch of ways that you can camouflage a sniper rifle, but personally I just think this is the easiest way. It still looks pretty good. Now, I use an old camouflage pillowcase for this one, but really you could use anything that's kind of natural colors. Now you could use old green pants. This right here is pants right here, and you basically just take it and tear it into strips about maybe an inch wide, inch and a half, and you basically just lay it and wrap it like that, and keep doing that until you get the whole thing camoed. And so this is just like a 2-year-old sniper rifle right here. I just camouflaged it, and so you can wrap it for the barrel and also the stock. But right here you have the magazine port. So for the magazine port you can't really wrap it, or you won't be able to take out your magazine or put it in. So you can just take the strips right here and put it under the scope or above it so that it lays just over it, and it'll still cover it up, but you'll be able to stick the magazine up in here. And I just did this in maybe 20-30 minutes, and it's very simple. All you do is just tear it up into strips and wrap it, and I am actually very impressed with this. So yeah, and for the scope right here, the enemy would be able to see that orange glare right there. So you could take a net and lay it over there so that he wouldn't be able to see that glare. And so yeah, I am actually very impressed with this right here. So and then also for the bolt action part right here, you also want to lay that over so that it'll be able to slide back without getting caught in the cloth. So yeah, I am actually very impressed with this, and I think it looks very cool. Once again, very impressed. Thank you.